everybody, this is Kathy from katzelcreate and welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with a project share, and this is something I will be sending to my new crafty friend. We decided to do a tag swap, and this is for Chiquita's Crochet, Deborah. Hi Deborah. So I will probably post this until she gets it. So yeah, anyways, so what did I make? So I made this tag pocket, and it's a double-sided. So this right here is just a piece of like things that I put together. It's like a embellishment. There's butterflies here, there's best day ever, there's a scallop or a starburst circle there, and I made this. And then I went ahead and put some die cuts in here. So this is the first one I made, and I was like, I'm not too pleased with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and send her that. And then since I had made a double pocket, I went ahead and did this one too. So this is a big die cut. Oh my gosh, I love it. It is, this is supposed to be like those candy canisters that they had in, I want to say in the 70s, 60s. So I went ahead and I had a spellbinders window, and I went ahead and die cut that. I had a piece of an ephemera, and I went ahead and backed it up and just fuzzy cut around it. I had this cute little flower, and then I added like die cut flowers in the back, and then I added this poinsettia that I had laying around, and I thought that looked so cute. I had this birdie that is so cute, and then I had a dream die cut and a butterfly here and here, and then I've had these I want to say they're like Pro Gems. They're like the fish bowl ones. They sell these at Michael's, and this was gifted to me by Miss Tree from Craft On. And there you go. So that is one. So I also went ahead and made like a little flip tag. Yeah. So anyways, this is actually a punch that I have, and you're supposed to layer a whole bunch of them together and basically make a flower. So I went ahead and did that, and hopefully she likes that. And I put a Dollar Tree bead here, and then this is like I said, an envelope, and there's cutouts in here. So she has some cutouts here. I made her some of these cute flowers. Her favorite color is purple, so I went ahead and added that on here, and I made a bow. And these right here, I went ahead and gifted her some of my rosettes. And I will say I did not embellish any of the toppers, because oh my goodness, what can I say? And then I had this made already, and I went ahead and just put some bling in here, and there's a little notepad in there, and there you go. And then this was that yarn that everybody went crazy for at DT, so I went ahead and put some in here. I did not cut it up here. It's like in a tie, so she could reuse it if she wants to reuse it. So that's why it's all so that way it's not like all cut apart, and she can actually reuse it. So there you go. So that's mostly it. Now I have been working on Julie Nutting, making some Julie Nutting, because Miss Donna from Power by Creativity has started a new swap on Julie Nutting tags. And so I also made Miss Vicky this one. I hope she likes it. So there's a purple butterfly here, and this is one of my favorite colors. This is a teal green, greenish color. So I hope she likes how I made these. And there you go. And it's like I told her, because I was texting her, and I was like, oh, all my projects somehow come out like a big capirotada. If you guys don't know that, it is like a mixture of a whole bunch of stuff put together, and I do apologize, but oh my gosh, I don't know how I can't match everything and put them all together, so I apologize for that. Anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch. If you guys don't know Miss Deborah, Chiquita's Crochet, go over and show her some love. Donna Powered by Creativity on her swaps. Go ahead and I will link them all down on the description below. And Miss Des, I do have to say thank you again for this beautiful, beautiful trim. I so love it, and I am starting to use it and not hoard all my stuff. Anyways, thank you again for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye for now.